How to redeem Dragon City codes. Now, first things first is make sure that you're currently running the latest version of the Dragon City app. Just head over directly to wherever you have downloaded the application and make sure that the update button is not visible. Next thing to do is just head down and launch your Dragon City app. Once you're here, just go directly to the top right portion of your screen, which is usually a gear icon. Now, it is usually located on redemption page on your settings if there are some special events. Now, if that option is not available from here, use your preferred web browser from your mobile device and then head down to dragoncitygame.com/redeem. This is where you can input and key in your unique voucher code or your gift code redemption and then just choose on login and redeem. That's it. That's how you redeem Dragon City codes.